Now, South Africa is endowed with about 85% of global reserves of PGMs. When we speak of PGMs, we are fundamentally speaking of platinum group metals. These metals are fundamentally important when it comes to the hydrogen economy, which will be centered in South Africa, because these metals are used to actually produce the most critical devices and critical equipment when it comes to the hydrogen economy, right? Now, when we look at the PGMs that are actually found in South Africa, right? Now let's look at their reserves. Platinum, right? South Africa holds about 85% of all platinum reserves, right? About 15%, no, I think about 10 to 13% is in Zimbabwe, and the rest is in Russia. Platinum is fundamentally used for a device that is known as a fuel cell, right? That fundamentally produces electricity from you fueling it using hydrogen and oxygen, right? And it produces water as an exhaust, right, product. So platinum is important for this reason. Platinum can also be used to actually produce the device that is known as an electrolyzer, which is fundamentally a reversal of the fuel cell. A fuel cell produces electricity when you feed it hydrogen and oxygen, right? But an electrolyzer, in this case, fundamentally produces hydrogen, right? When you apply a strong electrical current over the electrodes. Now, that is the purpose of the platinum. When we look at palladium, right, it also can act in a similar way, right, producing the similar effect, right, in regards to the fuel cell and the electrolyzer, right? Now, iridium, right, in South Africa is about 80%, right? South Africa holds about 80%. Iridium is important when it comes to producing electrolyzers that are fundamentally known as PEMs, right? Proton exchange membranes. And currently, the platinum group metals that is being used, right, to produce hydrogen is fundamentally rhodium, which South Africa holds about, I think it's over 75%. But rhodium produces gray hydrogen, right? Hydrogen that you find from sources like oil, right, or gas, right? So, in regards to the green hydrogen economy in South Africa and globally, right? South Africa sits at a very advantageous position, at a very unique position compared to other countries that might want to play a major role in the hydrogen economy. South Africa holds the platinum group metals and the resources to actually produce the critical devices that are needed in the hydrogen economy. So, this is one of the most potent advantages that South Africa has in regards to be able to control most of the market of the hydrogen economy. Now, without any further ado, I think I am done, and I'll see you in the next video.